In this video, I want to talk to you about the three levels of income. So, many years ago, I realized, and this was actually something taught to me by one of my billionaire mentors, I would say probably about 3, 4 years ago. And he said that, Bashar, there is such thing as passive income. And he said that people usually work all of their lives, try to get there, but never arrive. There are sold different vehicles and different opportunities as passive, but he said, there is no such thing as passive income. There is just less active income. He said, that said, there's one thing that the elite and the 1% that have discovered many years ago that they keep away from all of us. And I said, what is that? He said, well, because Bashar, there are three levels of income, and 67% of the population only knows about level one, which is why 67% of the population lives paycheck to paycheck. Then there is a small percentage, maybe like 10 or 15, discovers level two. And he said, that's what you have discovered. And then he said, there is only the 1% discovers level three. And he said, that's the Rockefellers. That's the Rothschilds. This is the Walmarts. These are the families, the dynasties, people that have lived around for, hundreds of years, and that their wealth gets passed down generations after generations. And, they simply don't like to share this with everybody else. But today, I want to share that with you because I want to pull back the curtains. And again, had it not been for my billionaire mentor, who I pay about $80,000 to $100,000 a year to learn from, I would not have discovered this. So I'm going to walk you through every single one of those and what they are. Level one income is where you leverage your time. This is your 9 to 5. You put in 1 unit of time, you get paid 1 unit of money. So let's say you work 1 hour, you get paid $20, $40, $50, $100, $200. Even if you are a doctor or a lawyer, you're still exchanging your time for money. The problem with this is that your time is limited. Therefore, your money is limited. Let me ask you a question. Have you tried to increase your income, and every time you did, you realized that you had to work more hours? Well, that's the reason why, because you are probably in a vehicle that is leveraging your time, level one income. Now, level two income, this is where you leverage high income skills. You acquire a high income skill, and although you might think, oh, that means I go to school and I acquire a degree, like an engineer, like an accountant, like a doctor, like a lawyer. Yes and no, because they still require you to spend your time. A true high income skill today, 1 unit of time may make you $10, $20, $50, $100. But 5 years from now, that same 1 unit of time might make you $1,000, 5,000, 10,000. And as your skill gets better, so will how much you make per hour. Example, 10 years ago when I first started selling on Amazon, 1 unit of time used to make me like $5. Today, 1 unit of time can make me up to $100,000. How? Because right now I've got a business that generates about $100,000 a month, and I only spend 1 hour per month on it. I'm an investor in that business. I've got a business partner that runs it, and that's it. But that took me 10 years to get there, right? And so the same thing with you. That can happen, but it takes time. However, you don't leverage your time, you leverage your money, okay, or leverage your skill. And then there is level three income. And level three income, the cool thing about it is that this is where you leverage your money. This is where you leverage your money. The problem is a lot of people try to jump from here to here too prematurely. You need to have a minimum of $100,000 of disposable cash in order for you to get there. And the issue is, if you go from level one to level three too quickly, you're going to be wasting your time. Why? Because level three is where you leverage your money. This is where your money makes money for you. This is where you can earn passively. This is where you can make money in your sleep. That's the goal. The goal is to get to level three as quickly as possible. But anything less than $100,000 is not really going to be any worth it. Why? Because typically, any safe and secure level three activities make about 10% per year. Investments, a stock portfolio, real estate, and so on. Stuff that you don't operate. Right now, I've got a stock and bond and commodity portfolio that makes about $50,000 to about maybe like $100,000 a year passively. I spend about 1 hour per quarter on it, right? It is not active. Now, if I had real estate that I was actively, managing, that would fall more under level two. It will not fall under level three. However, if you are an investor in a syndication, that's what falls under level three, where you are investing your money with a management company, with a syndication. They go out there, they manage everything, they do everything for you, and you just kind of look at the numbers once a month, once a quarter, and so on, right? So that's true level 3. And any safe and secure level 3 activity or vehicle produces only about 10% per year. So anything less than $100,000 invested is not worth it, because at $100,000, you're making about $10,000 a year, which is $800 a month, which is actually good. But anything less than that is just not worth it, which is why people jump in here too prematurely and they actually get in trouble. They try to invest in things like crypto or buy a stock or whatever, and either it goes to zero or the money they make is just not worth it, which is why you need to stack cash and get to 100,000 so that way you can actually make this worth it. However, many people, 67% of the population, lives paycheck to paycheck because they rely on level 1, which is why level 2 is most important. For me, about 3 to 5 years ago, I thought that's it. I thought this was right here because I had to work the job, and then I discovered level 2, and that's it. And I was stuck between this and this. But then what I realized that there is level 3. So I started taking all of my proceedings from level 2, from acquiring a high income skill of becoming a professional Amazon seller, and then investing it into level 3. And in fact, I honestly did not start investing in level 3 until I had $2 million in cash in the bank. Today, I've got an investment portfolio that's worth over 8 figures. And that investment portfolio cost me only about $1.5 million. $1.5 million turned into about $10 million, simply because I was not desperate. I kind of waited around. I saved up money, and the right opportunities came in, and bang, right? That said, your goal is to always get to level 3 as quickly as possible, but you need $100,000 to get there. And for you to get there, you can't rely on level 1 because you'll be there all your life. Instead, you acquire a high income skill so that way you can get to 100,000 and ascend to level 3. Hope you found this video valuable. If you did, do me a favor and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and be sure to share it with someone you feel like they would find it valuable as well. And if you want to know what my main vehicle for level 2 income is in 2026 and beyond, click the link in the description or in the first pinned comment and go check it out right now. See you in the next video.